Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So if you like strawberries, then you would love to have this milkshake. Enjoy this delicious milkshake in this strawberry season. But before, do subscribe my channel for many more videos. And now let's begin. So for this you will need 7 to 8 fresh chopped strawberries. These are medium size. Half a cup chilled milk boiled and cooked. 2 teaspoons of sugar, you can adjust the quantity as per your taste, and finally 2 scoops of plain vanilla ice cream. You can even use strawberry ice cream if you want to. So now take a blender and add all the strawberries in this, and to this add 2 teaspoons of sugar or as per your taste and blend it well. Once it's done, and now in this I am gonna add very cold milk. If your milk is not so chilled, then add 2 to 3 ice cubes in this. And now comes to my favorite ingredient, add 2 full spoons of plain vanilla ice cream in this, and again blend it well till it becomes smooth. We don't want to over blend, otherwise the shake will become very liquidy, so give this a good blend. This strawberry milkshake is now ready to be served. Take any tall glass of your choice and take a strawberry and cut it half and garnish the rim of glass with this. And now pour the strawberry milkshake into glass. You can serve it right away, but I am gonna add 1 big scoop of vanilla ice cream on top of it. You can even add whipped cream if you want to. And now enjoy! So I really hope you like this video. Do try this out and don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.